Alright, so today we're going to be talking about the THC and how it integrates with the control box, just to make sure that if we are having any issues, we can fix it here. So let's talk about that. This right here is the THC port. It's the T port on the control box, and as you can tell, it has 4 wires leading out of it. Black wire leading over to the switching power supply, and the red, yellow, and green leading out to the breakout board. So let's go ahead and go to the breakout board where that wire would in fact be connected. And as you can tell here, I have forcibly removed the yellow wire here. The yellow wire actually goes in the middle of this here. It goes red, yellow, green. And what we need to make sure, I'm going to go ahead and also pull test these as well. We want to make sure that these wires are in fact secure and in there. This yellow one, as I pull tested it, was not secure, and when that occurs, you're going to see issues with either the up or the down motion in your system. You can tell that here. You can see, okay, if I'm not connected properly, I'm not going to get that downward motion. So it'll be these ports here that you have to watch, check, do a quick pull test just to make sure. And when you do, ensure that the control box is in fact off, to ensure that you actually do have, safety, which is a huge factor in all of this. The only other way that this communication would not be occurring is if there was a problem with the THC itself. That is, if you are losing communication from your THC to your control box, you're either not going down or not going up. You're either losing communication somewhere in the THC is in fact faulty, or there's somewhere or some break in that line, that wire that runs from the THC to the control box. And you can tell which one just by testing each linkage. So you test the THC, make sure it's actually outputting something with a multimeter. You test the control box lead from the THC to ensure that there is in fact connectivity. And then of course you have this test here that runs from that point here over to our point on the breakout board. So that being said, check those out and we'll go from there.